Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove objects from photos in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually click on these three dots to open up the Studio Manager, and I want you to toggle on retouching. Once retouching is toggled on, I want you to click on it, and then here on the left hand panel I want you to go ahead and click on the healing brush tool. And then what I need you to do is go ahead and hold Alt on your keyboard to select your source. And then I want you to click anywhere to replace that section. So let's say we wanted a wireless mouse. So what we'll do, we will go ahead and select this section with Alt, and then we'll use that as our source, and we'll get rid of the wire as you can see here, and we'll create a wireless mouse. And of course what you can do is you can adjust the width here as well. If you want to make your fine touches, just go ahead and hold Alt, select your source, and just keep replacing the wire, for example, or any other object. You can go ahead and get rid of it by fine tuning it. And that is how to remove objects from photos in Affinity Studio.